Good morning. Today we discuss mechanical system. In that mechanical system, we have two types. One is translation system, another one is rotational system. First, we are discussing mechanical translation system. In this mechanical translation system, we have three elements. One is mass, second one is spring, and third one is dash part. What is mass, what is spring, what is dash bar? Okay, mass is called the weight of the mechanical system is called as a mass, and spring is the elasticity of the body in a mechanical system is called spring. Dash part, what is dash part? Friction existing in a rotating mechanical system is called as dash part. Okay, first we going to the how it will be solving mechanical system means. First we have let me know the symbols used in the mechanical translation system. The mechanical translation system depends upon the Newton's second law. What is the Newton's second law? The forces in a state is acting of the body is zero. This is the Newton's second law. The symbols used in mechanical systems are here. First one is x, displacement. X is called displacement. It is measured in meters. Okay. Next one is velocity v. It is a differentiation of displacement with respect to time. That is dx by dt. V is equal to dx by dt is equal to velocity. It measures in meters per seconds. Okay. Next, going to the acceleration. It denotes with a, and differentiation of velocity in respect to time, or double differentiation with respect to time displacement with respect to time. Okay, that is measures in meters per second square. Acceleration measures in meters per second square. Next one is f. F is force, applied force. It measures in newtons. Next one is mass, opposing force offered by the mass. It is also measured in newtons. And opposing force offered by the spring, that is denotes with Fk. Next one is Fb. Fb means opposing force offered by the dash part. Okay. Here capital M is mass, capital K is stiffness. Stiffness is stiffness of the spring. The spring measures in the newtons per meter. And B is the friction coefficient, viscous friction coefficient. It is measures in Newton seconds per meters. Okay. These are the symbols used in the mechanical translation system. First, you have to design each element, mass, spring and dashpot. Three elements are there, no? In mechanical translation system, we have to design how to design force balance equation for the mass, spring and dashpot. We can see force balance equations here. Okay. First, going to the force balance equations for mass. Okay. We can represent the mass diagram is like this. In a problems like this, it's showing for the mass. Okay, here F is the force applied in the system. Here x is the displacement. Here showing x is the displacement, and this is the reference signal. This whole part is mass element. Okay, the force here I am taken F, but force applied by the mass, so I can take as a F is equal to Fm, opposing force applied by the mass. So Fm is directly proportional to the acceleration. Already we know the formula, F is equal to m into a, mass into acceleration. Yes, Fm is directly proportional to the a. A means here double differentiation of displacement in respect to time, that is d square x by dt square. Fm is equal to d square x by dt square. It is means acceleration. Okay, we can Fm is equal to, after proportional constant you have to take a constant m, capital m into d square x by dt square. So from the Newton's second law, F is equal to Fm is equal to m into d square x by dt square. This is the equation for force balance equation for mass. Okay, next going to the dash part. Dash part will be represented like this. This is the dash part. Dash part denotes with capital B. X is represented here, the displacement, and force is represented here. I am taking force as Fb. Why? Because the force applied in the friction. So I am taking force applied by the force is dash part is Fb. So I am taking, in place of F, I am taking as a Fb. F is equal to Fb. Fb is directly proportional to the velocity. It depends upon the velocity. So we can take Fb is equal to, after proportional constant we have to take the capital B. Fb is equal to B into dx by dt. So F is equal to Fb is equal to B into dx by dt for the Newton's second law. Okay, in the dash part we have two cases. Here only one side the displacement is shown here, x is only one side. Here I am taking both the sides, here x1, this is the dash part, no, from this side x1, other side x2, two displacements are connected here. So from that case, how we denote the formula for force balance equation for the dash part? Same, Fb is proportional to the velocity. So d by dt of, here the displacements are x1 and x2. So we can take x1 minus x2. Okay, Fb is proportional to d by dt into x1 minus x2. So after proportional constant removing, Fb is equal to B into d by dt of x1 minus x2. Okay, F is equal to Fb into B is B into d by dt of x1 minus x2. Okay, next going to the spring. Third element is spring. Spring is denoted with here K. It denotes with K. So the displacement is same, here denotes with x, and F I am taking as Fk. Why? Because the opposing force due to the spring. So I am taking F, in place of F I am taking as a Fk. Fk is proportional to the displacement. So Fk is proportional to the x here. So from this, after proportional constant removing, Fk is equal to Kx. Here K is the constant and our spring constant. K is equal to spring constant here. F is equal to Fk is equal to Kx from the Newton's second law. Okay, here only connected the displacement is one side here. Yes, here I am connecting the displacement at the two sides of the spring. Okay, two sides of the spring, x1 and x2. Okay, so the force applied by the spring is directly proportional to the displacement. Here the displacements are x1 and x2. So I am taking x1 minus x2. In place of x, I am taking x1 minus x2. Fk is proportional to the x1 minus x2. So after proportional constant removing, Fk is equal to k into x1 minus x2. So I am taking F is equal to Fk. So F is equal to Fk is equal to k into x1 minus x2. In problems, we have seen this element, mass element. Directly we have to write this formula. F is equal to Fm into, F is equal to m into d square x by dt square. Dash part we can see like this. How to directly written Fb is equal to b into dx by dt. Fk is equal to kx. Okay. In the both the sides, the displacement between the dash part, have to write b into d by dt of x1 minus x2, and spring having both the displacement, we have to write Fk is equal to k into x1 minus x2. Okay. Have seen problems. This is the one problem in mechanical system is given. Write differential equations governing the mechanical system shown in figure and determine the transfer function. Okay. Here the force is called as a input, the displacement is called as output. This is the output. Okay. This is the input. Here the f of t is called as a input and x is called as a output. Okay. Here first of all we have to take Laplace transform of f of t, x and x1 of s. We can represent as a in the Laplace transform in a transfer function. So I am taking in time in place of s. In place of time I am taking as a s. After applying the Laplace transform we will get s. Okay. F of t, Laplace transform of f of t is called f of s. Laplace transform of x is called x of s. Laplace transform of x1 is called x1 of s. First we have to take these three elements. Okay. Input and output, first to apply the Laplace transform. Then after, what is the transfer function? Transfer function is output by input. Yes, here the output is x. X I am taking Laplace transform is x of s and input is f of t. Of Laplace transform of f of t is f of s. You have to find the transfer function means we have to find the x of s by f of s. Here he is asking the transfer function. So you have to find this transfer function x of s by f of s. How to find the transfer function for these mechanical systems? Okay. In that first step, first how to take the, here both the masses are there, m1 and m2. First you have to take the m1. Okay. First you have to take the m1 like this. Okay. What are the elements are connected here? First you have to observe the all the elements. What are the elements are connected? Spring. Here one dash part B1 and another dash part B and spring K. These are the elements are connected. So you have to write here F m1 first, the mass applied by the force. Okay, that is Fm1. Then the mass applied by the spring K1. So, how to write here the spring constant, spring force Fk1. Okay. Next we are going to the another element is here B1, the dash part. So, I can write here Fb1 also. Okay. Next B dash part, the dash part applied by the force Fb. Okay. Next one is connected K. Okay. The spring K is also connected. So, the force applied by the spring Fk. First write down like this, how to take one element, mass element. After that, what are the elements are connected here, we have to take applied for the force for that element. You have to write like this. Okay. Here he written like this, Fm1, Fb1, Fb, Fk1, Fk. Yes, the displacement is written above the this mass element. After that, already we know the formulas for the all those elements. Mass, what is the mass applied by the force is, formula for the force balance equation is Fm is equal to m into d square x by dt square. So, here the in place of m, here we can write m1, in place of x how to write x1. Why? Because here x1, here m1 is there. So, Fm1 is equal to, I am taking Fm1. Why? Because the mass element is m1 is there. So, I am taking Fm1 is equal to m1 into d square x1 by dt square. Next element is Fb1. Fb1 means the force applied by the dash part. The force applied by the dash part, first dash part Fb1 is b1 into dx1 by dt. The formula for the dash part is Fb is equal to b into dx by dt. No. So, in that b place I am applying b1 and in x place x1. Okay. This is the Fb1. Next Fb. Fb means here, one second. Here Fb having both the displacements, both the ends having the displacements. X1 is first end, here first end having x1 and second end having x. So, you have to take the x1 minus x. Okay. B into d by dt of x1 minus x. Okay. Because both the ends having the displacement. Okay. Fb is equal to b into d by dt of x1 minus x. Here only b is there, so we have to take the b and d by dt of x1 minus x. Okay. Next Fk. Fk1. Fk1 means k1 into x1. Okay. Fk. Fk also having the both the ends. Here Fk also having the both the ends x1 and x. So, how to take the Fk is equal to k into x1 minus x. But Fk1 is only one end is there. Fk1 is one end is there, that is x1. So, k into x1. Okay, k into x1. Here the Fk is having the both the ends having the displacement. So, x1 and x both the displacements. So, Fk is equal to k into x1 minus x. Okay. First, we have to write the all the elements. After completing the formula for all the elements, have to write all the elements now. After that, the Newton's second law, the forces applied by the body, all the forces applied by the body is equals to the 0, the Newton's second law. So, all the forces applied by the body is Fm1 plus Fb1 plus Fk1 plus Fb plus Fk is equal to 0. So, apply the all the formulas in this equation. Fm1 means m1 into d square x1 by dt square plus Fb1 means b1 into dx1 by dt. Next Fb means b into d by dt of x1 minus x. Here Fk1, sorry, Fk is Fk1 means k1 into x1, Fk is here k into x1 minus x. I am applying, I am substituting all the formulas here. Okay. All the forces are equals to the 0. After that, I am applying the Laplace transform for the all the conditions. Okay. Here the Laplace transform of d square by dt square, that is called s square. Laplace transform of this one is s square. Laplace transform of d by dt is called s. Okay. So, in place of d square x by dt square, you can write it as s square. In place of x1, already we find the Laplace transform of x1 is x1 of s, and Laplace transform of x is x of s. All these formulas will be substituted in this equation, then we will get like this, that is m1 into, in place of d square by dt square, s square I have written here, m1 into s square. After that x1, in place of x1 I am written x1 of s. Why? Because the Laplace transform of x1 is x1 of s. Okay. b1 as it is I am written, and d by dt is s. In place of d by dt I have written s. Okay. In place of x1 I am written x1 of s. Why? Because the Laplace transform of x1 is x1 of s. Same way we can apply the all the elements. Here b into d by dt is s. x1 is x1 of s. X is x of s. Laplace transform of x1 is x1 of s, and Laplace transform of x is x of s. Here next one, k1 into x1 of s and plus k into x1 of s minus x of s. I am applying the all the elements to the Laplace transform. Okay. Then after combining the x1 of s from this and combining the x of s in these elements, then we will get x1 of s common here, m1 s square b1 s plus bs plus k1 plus k. These are the elements having the x1 of s. So, I am common the all the elements, common the x1 of s, will get like this, m1 s square plus b1 plus b into s plus k1 plus k. Okay. After common x of s, what are the elements are there? bs plus k, So, x of s into bs plus k is equal to 0. Okay. I am taking outside this side x of s. So, x1 of s into m1 s square plus b1 plus b into s plus k1 plus k is equal to x of s into bs plus k. Here minus is there. So, after taking this side, we will get plus. From this x1 of s, I am taking x1 of s is equal to x of s into bs plus k by taking this side. So, it will comes in denominator, that is m1 s square plus b1 plus b into s plus k1 plus k. Okay, this is the first case. Okay, in this the differential equation is this one. He is asking in a question differential equation also. This is the differential equation for the first element, first mass. Okay, we done only m1. Next of all, next we have to take the m2 also. Okay, m2 here. The m2 is having what are the elements? B, dashpot, spring, this dashpot B2 and input f of t. Yes. So, how to write first here f m2 first. Don't forget this one fm2. Whatever the element is taken, first you have to write that element applied by the force. So, I am taking m2. So, force applied by the mass 2 is fm2. Then after the dashpot applied by the force is fb. Then after spring, the spring is also connected here. So, taking as fk. Next of all, one more is connected dashpot, that is b2 here, fb2. These are the elements connected, and one other one also f of t, that is input. Okay, these are the elements connected. The displacement is represented here above column mass. You can see in here. Okay, here is taken first f of t, then sorry, the arrow mark I am written like this. Only input is like this, remaining will be like this. Okay, the input f of t, force applied by the mass is fm2 and dashpot b2, fb2 and fb and fk. Okay, these are the elements are connected mass 2. What is the step? Next step, how to write the formulas for this all those elements. First one is f of m2. F of m2 means m2 into d square x by dt square. Okay, fb2 means b2 into dx by dt. fb means b into d by dt of x minus x1. Why? Because here both the ends having the displacement. From this side, how to take the displacement? Why? Because here the output is x is, so the m2 is connected, first one is this displacement. So, how to take the displacement x minus x1 from this side, x1 minus x. How to take the m1 x1 minus x from taking the m2 x minus x1 from this side. So, here fb is equal to b into d by dt of x minus x1. Here fk also same, fk is equal to k into x minus x1. Okay, fb2 means only one displacement, so fb2 is equal to k into x1. Okay, sorry, b into d by dt of x1. Okay, after that you have to take the all the forces is equals to the 0, but here the input is there, so how to take the equals to the f of t. F of t is equal to all the forces, the input is equal to all the forces, that is Fm2 plus Fb2 equal plus Fb plus Fk is equal to f of t. How to apply the all the formulas here? Fm2 plus m2 into d square x by dt square, Fb2 plus b2 into dx by dt, and Fb plus b into dx d by dt of x minus x1 in place of Fk, k into x minus x1 is equal to f of t. After that we have to applying the Laplace transform for that equation. This is the differential equation for the second mass. Okay, this is the second differential equation. All the problems having what are the elements, mass elements are there, that number of differential equations are there in the each problem. Okay, here two masses are there, so two differential equations. After the applying the Laplace transform of this differential equation, same d square by dt square plus s square d by dt plus s. Okay, m2 into, in place of d square by dt square s square, in place of x, x of s. How to apply the all the elements Laplace transform? We will get m2 into s square x of s plus b2 into s into x of s. In place of d by dt I am taken s, in place of x, x of s. Okay, b of plus bs into x of s minus x1 of s, and plus k into x of s, x1 of s. Already we find the Laplace transform of f of t, that is f of s. Okay, then after how to common the x of s and x1 of s. Okay, how to common the x of s? First we will get m2 s square and b2 s plus bs plus k minus x1 of s. After common the x1 of s, how to get bs plus k, bs plus k is equal to f of s. Already we find in first case x1 of s. Yes, how to find the in place of x1 of s in that formula. Okay, here we find the x1 of s. No, this x1 of s how to substitute here. Okay, we will get it will be in the form of x of s. What is, how to find the x of s by f of s? No, so we will get x of s by f of s after substituting this x1 of s here. Okay, I am substituting here x of s m2 s square b2 plus b into s plus k, this is same x of s in place of x1 of x. In place of x1 of s I am writing this one, x of s into bs plus k m1 s square plus b1 plus b plus into s plus k1 plus k. I have written here, and one more bs plus k is there here. So bs plus k whole square, he is directly written bs plus k whole square. Okay, is equal to f of s. After that you have to write common the x of s here. Okay, after writing the x of s, after common the x of s, we will get like this. These both are in cross multiplication, m2 s square b2 plus bs plus k into this whole part, m1 s square plus b1 plus b into s plus k1 plus k minus b in s plus k whole square. These both are common, x of s is, and by this denominator, that is m1 s square plus b1 plus b plus s into plus k1 plus k is equal to, input is f of s. Okay, what is the transfer function? that is x of s by f of s. We have to write the x of s by f of s, we will get the transfer function of this system. So, I am writing here x of s by f of s, I am taking this side, this one is taken this side. So, the denominator will be numerator, numerator will be denominator here. So, m1 s square plus b1 plus b into s plus k1 plus k by m1 s square plus b1 plus b into s plus k1 plus k into m2 s square plus b2 plus b into s plus k minus bs plus k whole square. Okay. This is the final transfer function. What are the results for this system? The differential equations are, in the first case is this one, second case is this one, and the final transfer function one is this one. This is the result for this this system. Okay. Any doubts from this problem? Anyone tell me? Any doubts? Okay. Any doubts, please tell me. In this first unit, the problems are coming from the coming to the external. First part is block diagram reduction technique. Block diagram reduction technique, one problem, and he is directly given 10 marks problem, otherwise he is given A and B questions. That is, first question is block diagram reduction technique, second B section is characteristics of AC servo motor or DC servo motor or any other open differentiation difference between open loop and closed loop system, like that he is given. And second problem from this first unit is, one is translation, mechanical translation system and rotational system. From these two problems, how to get one problem is compulsory. Okay. So, this is the first case, that is translation system, mechanical translation system. In the second case, I will explain next class, rotational system. Okay. This is clear? All of you clear? All of you clear? You can leave from this class. Any doubts, please tell me. No doubts? I am asking all of you. I think no one having the doubts, no one responding, no. So I am leaving